They promised us a future where machines would make life easier, smarter, faster. But what if the same technology meant to save billions is now costing companies everything? From Silicon Valley boardrooms to fast food drive-thrus, the rush to replace humans with AI is spiraling into chaos, and no one saw it coming. Tesla, Microsoft, Amazon, Google, and almost every tech company you can imagine have tried to replace humans with AI.
This week, Microsoft announcing it is laying off nearly 4% of its workforce.
The CEO of Amazon telling the company's employees that some of their jobs will be replaced by AI.
In recent years, companies have laid off huge numbers of workers.
The new year is not starting off on a happy note for workers at some of the country's largest tech companies.
This was because companies were overconfident about their AI and automation development.
Amazon is warning its employees that the company will have a smaller workforce in the future because of generative AI and agents.
So why tech is regretting replacing humans with AI? A recent MIT report surveyed over 150 business leaders and 350 employees. The results were shocking. Only about 5 to 7% of AI projects actually create real value or boost revenue. That means up to 95% are failing to deliver measurable results. Another survey by OrgView found 55% of companies that replaced employees with AI now regret it. Over half admit they made a mistake, and you can see why. Take McDonald's. Their AI-powered drive-thrus became a viral disaster. Customers ended up with bacon in ice cream orders or hundreds of dollars worth of chicken nuggets by mistake.
2 vanilla creamers and 2 sugars.
Was that a bacon, egg, and cheese biscuit?
No.
The system was so unreliable that McDonald's scrapped it entirely. Taco Bell faced similar chaos when it rolled out AI in 500 stores. Their own CTO told the Wall Street Journal, "Sometimes it lets me down, but sometimes it surprises me." That inconsistency, the unpredictability, is AI's biggest weakness right now. Clara, a fintech company, laid off 3,000 employees, betting big on chatbots. Within months, problem resolution times rose 27% and unhappy customers jumped 35%. By 2025, the CEO reversed course, admitting quality human support is the way forward. Duolingo tried an AI-first approach, replacing human contractors, but errors affected 42% of course content and user retention fell 18% in just one quarter. Sports Illustrated, one of the most iconic media names, fired much of its writing staff and began publishing AI-generated articles. Readers quickly noticed wrong stats, robotic writing, and lifeless tone. Web traffic crashed 40%, advertisers fled, and by 2025, the magazine restored 90% of its human-written content. So, what's driving this obsession? Wall Street pressure. In late 2023, 36% of S&P 500 companies mentioned AI in their earnings calls. By mid-2025, that number jumped to 60%. Mentioning AI alone could lift stock prices, even without results. This led to AI washing, when companies exaggerate their use of AI just to attract investors. The CFA Institute now warns that AI washing is an emerging transparency crisis. It's not about innovation anymore, it's about perception. Meanwhile, employees are feeling the pressure too. A 2024 Microsoft survey revealed 53% of workers fear using AI makes them look replaceable. In AI-exposed sectors, jobs for young workers aged 22 to 25 dropped to 6%, and entry-level roles like software engineers or customer service reps fell nearly 20%. Even Elon Musk learned this lesson early. Back in 2017, Tesla tried building an almost fully automated factory for the Model 3. Robots constantly broke down, 5 times a day in some areas. Tesla had to bring humans back just to survive. Musk later admitted, humans are underrated. AI is also expensive. NVIDIA GPUs used for training cost $30,000 to $40,000 each, and companies like Meta have hundreds of thousands of them. AI has already increased US electricity usage by 4%, and global data center investments are projected to hit $3 trillion in just 3 years. Even OpenAI, the poster child of this boom, reportedly spends $28 billion a year but makes less than half that in revenue. The truth is, AI itself isn't the problem. Rushing into it is. Companies that deploy AI carefully, focusing on one pain point at a time, are seeing real results. Startups using specialized tools succeed 67% of the time, while in-house builds succeed only 1/3 as often. When humans and AI work together, the results can be remarkable. Unity used AI to automate customer support and saved $1.3 million a year without firing anyone. Hisco Insurance used Microsoft Copilot to cut claim processing times from 1 hour to 10 minutes. Again, no layoffs. The data is clear. AI can transform industries, but only when humans stay in the loop. The real disaster isn't artificial intelligence itself. It's the blind rush to replace people before understanding how it all fits together. Companies that slow down, plan carefully, train their teams, and integrate AI deliberately see 35% productivity gains and 27% cost reductions. So maybe the real question isn't, will AI replace us? Maybe it's, can companies survive without humans? Because when the world runs too fast chasing automation, sometimes the smartest move is slowing down. What do you think? Are we creating tools to help humanity, or are we building systems that will one day forget we exist? Stay curious, stay bold. This is Oi Life, and I'll see you again soon.